Hi, my name is Amaris Abraham. I'm a music producer and a score composer, and this is why I create. It's almost like instinct. It comes from a belief that, the talent that I have to do what I'm doing comes from God, and that He trusts me to do it the way that He sees fit. So I'd say my biggest inspiration is probably Hans Zimmer. Growing up, I listened to his soundtracks all the time. I was homeschooled, so while I was doing school, I'd be listening to his music. He kind of showed me that anyone can do it. For me, music started with production, electronic music production. Score composing works almost the same way, but I'm restricted to the timeline of the film. Making music for videos was not something I was unfamiliar with. There were some Directing One projects, just little 5-minute shorts. I mentioned to them that, hey, if you want, I can make some music for this movie. A lot of senior project headers kind of came to me, and then for the year 2021, I'm scoring 6 of the JPCatholic senior projects. Here's the process I go to when it comes to kind of forging a musical piece. Now, if it's a song, I kind of find like a bass rhythm, and I kind of move on from there with melodies. I kind of just jam. But then when it comes to musical scores for films, I'd like it if the director could kind of explain the vibe. If you tell me what exactly you want to hear in the movie, then I can come up with something. Once I come up with something, I send it to the director, and then we can either disagree or agree, and then move on from there. And we do that until it's done. And music is such a great way to convey emotion, so when things change on screen, the music should change with it. I'm a visual composer. I usually take the rough cuts, kind of load that file into my computer, and as I'm playing it, I just play along whatever instrument I see fit when I watch the film. The most important thing to know as a creative artist is that you're not always going to have control over the artwork that you put out. Not everything that you create is going to be what you wanted it to be. Sometimes you just need to get something done at this point in time. It's called deadlines. At that point, it is what it is. It has to go. Sometimes in order to keep moving forward, we have to make sacrifices to not necessarily please somebody else, but to prove that you can sell what you're making. My name is Amaris Abraham, and this is why I create.
My focus is primarily on character art. I find cross-hatching really therapeutic for some reason. Once I have the base down, just drawing in the little lines, it's really nice. I've also come to realize that organic modeling is also very therapeutic, and I've been noticing that I actually kind of feel better doing that.